Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon. I was nominated for the 25-day challenge. I was listening to a song last night that really kind of spoke to me, like this whole 2020 thing with the pandemic and just everything that's going on right now. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Guys should go check it out. I think it's awesome. Speaks how we should be together, and we're all in this together. So, but anyways, I'm gonna do my 25, and have a great, awesome day. I do a few extra just in case, because some people count. It's crazy, but just want to make sure I get them all in. All right, take care, and God bless you all.